Hi friends, welcome to Aditya RPA Academy. Now we are continuing to work with automation with installation step by step. In the last video we have seen about how to configure IIS server. So in this video we are going to see how to install SQL server. So it requires SQL Server 2014 Express Edition to download. It's an open source. And type SQL Server 2014 Express Edition, and then will takes you to Microsoft official website, and click on download Microsoft SQL Server 2014. Then click on download. So if you observe here, they have given various packages here for 32-bit and 64-bit. So in my system is a 64-bit, and then for this one just choose an Express 64-bit SQL Server Express a 64, and then select this package and then click on next. Okay, save it. So it takes some time since I have already downloaded in my system, and let me start installation straight away. Cancel this one. Then double click on and then click on yes, and click on OK. Okay, select the first option, that is new SQL Server standalone installation. Usually server takes some bit extra time. So here select the check button, that is I accept the license terms, then click on next. And again click on next. So here we need not select the shared features, so only the database engine services fine. Then click on next. And here select the named instance is SQL Express. Then click on next. and here the SQL Server browser. So leave the default like this and click on next. So here I am choosing the first one, that is Windows authentication mode. Click on next. So usually it takes some extra time. Okay, installation is done. Now we need to configure the server. To start, programs, then configuration manager, Then expand SQL Server network configuration. And here, so here some features are enabled and some features are disabled. And then now I'm going to enable these features. So to enable all of these features, so we need to restart system. Okay, please stay with us. In the next video, we'll continue to see automation in your installation. Please stay with us. Thank you.